nice to have a follow-up call, but the USA Today piece was excellent. Received feedback in a positive way from everyone, from customers to investors. We'd like the world to know about it. So things like the USA Today and that piece really does apply to all of those, and different segments within it. There's folks that have parents in long-term care who are going to be particularly concerned about this. Neonatology with newborns and premature babies, very vulnerable. Cancer patients, very vulnerable. So those are kind of our real critical targets for our message. But the truth is, stethoscopes touch everyone, everywhere. You've been touched by them. I've been touched by them. And so it resonates. So the broadest audience is something, when you get this piece that you've helped us engage the world with the USA Today, the broader the better. It's not just the USA Today piece, it's the content of it. And the content is, that essentially the CDC now is in agreement with this push that stethoscopes really become a very significant vector for transmitting disease and these pathogens that create infection, and that this new novel technology by this young startup company makes stethoscopes touch-free, essentially. So it's a very nice piece that is digestible to the lay community, but really does fortify our message with everybody from strong advocates that are interviewed in that have comments, like Kathleen Volman, who's the president of the World Association of Critical Care Nurses, and then our own customers, both a VA medical center infection control officer and a oncologist who is using the product to protect his cancer patients. And so the CDC and influential leaders and direct customers are all now making these statements in this. And so it's really a validation of what we've said, all along.